Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhoneTopics.com. So today in this video we are gonna see how to solve the battery drain issue on iOS 14.4 because you all might have worried so much due to this problem. So let's see how to troubleshoot it now without a delay. Solution number 1, change the network selection. I'm saying this because network selection is the main reason for the battery drain issues, and changing that has solved the problem for many people, so you can also give it a try. I'll say how to do that. First, go to settings and you can see mobile data, select that one. In that, click network selection. So what you have to do is just turn off the automatic and select the actual provider. Here I'm selecting Airtel because mine is Airtel, so I'm just selecting it. You just have to select your own actual provider and check whether your problem is solved or not. That's it. Solution number 2, enable low power mode. Guys, we can know clearly from its name that low power mode will save the battery percentage. Normally you'll get a prompt like enable low power mode when your battery percentage is below 20%, but you can enable low power mode anytime to save your battery. When low power mode is toggled on, it also disables the background app refresh, which consumes a lot of battery by updating apps automatically and some stuffs. So for that, I'll say how to enable low power mode. Go to settings, scroll down the screen and you can see battery, just give a click. In that you can see low power mode, just toggle on that. Below that you can see the battery health. To that you can check which app is consuming battery the most and you can limit the usage of it. That's it. Solution number 3, turn off the location services. So what does this location services do? It actually uses GPS and Bluetooth, so this will consuming most of the battery percentage. So you can turn on which app need the location services, or else completely can turn it off when not in use. So let me explain you the procedure. For that, go to settings and head over to privacy. In that, tap on location services. So here you can see that option. Either you can turn it off completely or else you can select the app which need that location services to be turned on. That's it. So guys, though these solutions appear to be simple, this will obviously help you to solve your battery drain problem. Additionally, I'll give you some simple techniques to avoid your battery drain. Let's see what it is. Number 1, delete some widgets. Mainly you can see our home screen might be occupied with lots of widgets. So you can see I'm having a clock widget, news widget, weather widget. So what will happen when you have lots of widgets on your home screen? It will just eat your battery. So what you have to do is keep only the important widgets and delete the unwanted ones. So this will surely help you to solve your problem. So you can try that one. That's it. Number 2, turn off rise to wake option. So this option will light up the screen when you lift the phone from the flat surface. This is also main cause to reduce the battery percentage in an iPhone. So just turn off that feature to save your battery. I'll say how to do that. First you have to go to settings and tap on display and brightness. You can see rise to wake option at the below. Actually it is turned on in my phone. You just have to toggle off if it is on your phone. That's it. Guys, these are the precautions and simple tricks to save your battery on iOS 14.4, but there is no exact solution from the Apple. Maybe the next update from Apple will solve this issue, I think. So guys, I hope you like this video. Then why are you waiting? Go like, share and subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com and hit the bell button to receive the new notifications. I'll see you all with my next video. Bye bye.